Look, kids, that's it. Kids, do you know what we're going to do today? Well, it's something very beautiful. Lego Boost is a robot, and there may be also different kinds of Lego. As you can see here, it's build, code, play. Oh look, Cranny arrived. I'm going to get out the stabilizers. Do you know why we need the stabilizers on Cranny? Well, it's so Cranny doesn't fall when he's lifting up heavy loads like this boost. This boost is heavy.
Loosen up the hook.
All right.
Okay, now you're good to go.
I'm going to attach the hook. The hooky hook.
And be careful, we don't want no accidents. This is a very expensive robot. Lower a little bit. Careful, careful, careful. A little more. Lower the hook. Okay, a little more. Stop. I'm gonna help you. Let me go on this side.
I'm starting to lift up. Should I?
Wait, don't lift up. We need to get out of here first. Alright, ladies go first. Oh, thank you. And now I'm gonna get inside too.
I am lifting up.
Wait, we're not there yet.
Yeah. Oh my.
Alright, proceed carefully.
Yeah. Kids, that was really heavy for me.
Alright, delivery complete. I can go back to my warehouse.
I am happy to get out of this boxing box.
Okay, I'm gonna open this box. Okay. And this is what's inside. Lots of big boxes. I wonder how we're gonna get them out.
Get out! I'm lifting this boost up.
Okay, I have an idea. I just pushed the ropes to the side, so when it's lifting up, it's gonna lift just one side, and all those packages will come flying off.
And lifting up, lifting up. Yeah. Oh, look how much there is. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Whoa. Cranny now can remove our box, and we're done. This is the computer of the robot. See how it is? Here and here are going to come two wires. But did you know that there's also wires connecting to your computer right now? If you're on a computer, yes. And also look at this. Let's look what's on the other side after we've gone through this. We have all this here. We have this robot, this things, and this. So look at this boost. Here is the outer builder. What does he do? Well, he makes little boosts like here and here, jumping out. And here, what is this? Ah, this is the, of course, guitar. And all that's what's on this page. And do you know how much total pieces we have here in total? Well, it says on the box. Look. 847 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Hi, Telly. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I need 6 AAA batteries for the control module. Could you bring some?
I think I got them right here. All right, bye.
Bring them in.
Oh no, kids, that is double A, but we need triple A.
All right, bring them back and bring me the AAA batteries.
Triple A battery times 6. All right, bossy boss, I got, I think, 3 kinds of batteries. Let me get them all out. Oh, this is the batteries. All right, I am going to leave it in to the box. Yes, this is the right one. And look, and here's the Lego battery.
And how should you install batteries?
Maybe like this.
And is there a way to know?
Up, I see a plus here. I'm in the minus, and here is a minus. And that means we should make it like this. There is a way. Yuppie! And that means the plus must go here. But you must find the plus and the plus and the minus and the minus. That way you can install the batteries in the right way. Up. This battery is good. And this is 2. Let us get the final battery. Up. And we got it. Alright. Now we're done. Now we can put it back on track. As you can see here, there's a hole. And this is also a hole. So it means that we have to put it like this up, and then we need to screw it up again. Now let's see if it works. Oh, it does! Do you know what this is? It is trying to find the connection, but we don't have the connection. Let us hold it for some time, and it would stop. If I put my hand, it becomes red. How is that a magical trick? So please check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Kids, do we see this bulldozer up there? Put your mouse in there, you'll see Bruder Builders, and subscribe. So click the subscribe button and like, and click the bell, and then go to Bruder Builders, and then try to watch when you have time. Try to watch our videos.